So I'm gonna get over the lad for see me. Some him call you babes while ago. I ain't a baby, you're not just born. So I'm gonna ask you a question. So business partner and business partner start nowadays?
Patsy, you get served already?
Hello, don't rush me. I support your business, I just buy something. So I just buy my Gatorade right here, so. And the last time I checked it, that's free space.
Babe, Tony, I never share some food because I back at time. I can't.
I look like cutie. Hello, don't be because I'm a subcolor, babes. I didn't like it while ago. I wish I didn't somebody would call me babes. Mr. Kareem, come here. Come here, man.
Yes, Patsy.
I'm sorry, hairstyle look more well active. Come here. You need to come back come link me so that we can do it here. So we can cute it up for your babes. If I do the next today. Hello, sir. Hey, Jesus, love me for chewing now. Master, what's the commission, sir? Hello.
Blessing, Shati.
You come and shotty.
What one, boss? You want something? Yeah, man. Give me a usual. Give me a cold job.
Master, what's the commission, sir? I need your help. I have one pipe on me I don't want to fix. Just a run water, so no stop run water. You can't help me?
Sit down, General.
So I'm gonna ask you something. You can spit fire? You ever spit fire yet?
Listen. General, where you gone? It's my friend like you. Patsy, it's the mania. The mania have around 5 work. The mania. Good man, brother.
But I can make you gooder.
Yeah, Patsy.
Kareem, are you a friend?
Yeah, I'm a general.
What a waste your nice to pump all leg. Hey!
Patsy, do the right thing and get him. You need to get him.
You don't have to tell me
All
twice.
right. That's it, my friend.
Yes!
That's it.
Mr. Water Commission,
Yeah,
sir!
Patsy is who's just like you.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Setan.
So what wrong with that? How you feel away to a next girl like him?
Karim, that never necessary.
No, but it look like you're vexed because me set up somebody for your friend.
Look here, he's not my friend. He's just somebody who come on the shop when I know. I should never look like somebody with that matching.
So how you know that? How you don't know who that match him? You have some idea, you know, but it's alright. Never share the food.